So we are in a bear market. We are in a crypto bear market. We are in a stock bear market. And what does this mean for altcoins? What does this mean for people that hold Shiba Inu and Dogecoin and Cardano and all of these altcoins? Well, in this video, we're going to be talking about this, and we're going to be diving into the crypto market to see what happened today and what is most likely going to be taking place the next couple of days and even about next month. So continue to watch this video until the end. You cannot miss anything that I have in store for you today. Now, if you love crypto content, make sure you smash up the like button and let me know in the comments below. How long do you think this bear market is going to last? And make sure you subscribe with notifications on so you do not miss these time-sensitive videos when I put them out. So we have a lot of great information we are going to get to. And as we saw today, if you've been watching the crypto market today, cryptos were looking very bullish. Last night, I called out, actually a couple days ago, I said that Thursday is most likely going to be a recovery day. Thursdays generally are a recovery day in Forex markets and in markets all around the world. So a lot of times we see bounces, we see recoveries on Thursdays. Friday, I said that Fridays usually are and have been very, very bearish. They've been very volatile. The weekends have been bearish. The weekends have been volatile. Last weekend, we were fortunate to actually experience some green. Maybe we will experience green. I don't know. The market is just very bearish, guys. It is not bullish at all, and I'm going to be showing you why. So here is the thing. Let me go ahead and take off just a bunch of some of these indicators, some of these lines. What we can see is that last night, cryptos were recovering. They looked really, really good. And yesterday, when we reached a particular low, actually this was the 18th, no, yes, yesterday, when we reached a particular low for Ethereum, that was about 1900, Ethereum ended up bouncing up. And notice that the lows are getting higher. This is good. Notice that since we have crashed, the lows of the crypto market are getting higher. That is a good sign. That's a good thing to see. And the low today actually is higher as well. But another thing that is happening at the same time is the highs. The highs are getting lower. That is not a good sign. And this could mean that there could be another big move to be taking place here soon. Yesterday and even last night, this morning specifically, cryptos were setting up again to try to make another move to break outside of this bearish momentum. And we got shot down today because of monkeypox. Actually, yes, monkeypox came out the other day and there's people getting it. And the monkeypox news spread into the stock market and crashed the stock market. It crashed the crypto market. But as a result, because it's just emotional FUD out there that's only temporary, remember interest rates and all the things that are causing the market to crash, the crypto market, the stock market to crash, these things are temporary. They're not going to be lasting forever. They can't keep cryptos and stocks down forever. No, all of these things are temporary. And a lot of these things, like today, what happened with monkeypox, why things are being brought down, it sounds crazy. They're temporary things. It just ways for whales to manipulate and crash and panic people to sell, to bring prices lower so they can continue to buy as low as they can. But let me tell you something, why these crashes are actually good, why all these dumps are really good. Because what the whales are doing and what the market is doing, it's shaking out the people who are not going to be here in the long term. And this is actually better for us in the future. If you're holding any cryptocurrency, make sure you continue to watch. We have some even greater information, but this is better for us in the future so that the weak hands, once we pump up a little bit, another 10% or 15% move to the upside, that these weak hands are going to panic and leave the market. So all the people are leaving the market that have weak hands, that have paper hands. These people are going to be gone, and we're building up a strong following, basically a strong amount of holders who are here with diamond hands, who believe in cryptocurrencies, and the weak hands are shaken out, which means that cryptos are going to have a better future, that they can pump higher, that they can go a lot higher, because the people at these levels are able to endure a lot of pain just to stay in the crypto market. So that's what's happening. But again, we are attempting to recover again today. Will we recover and get up to the highs that we saw this morning? I don't know, but do notice there is something you need to take notice of. When cryptocurrencies pump, whenever they have these bullish moves, which are significant, they always come right back down. It's like we have these big pumps. It's like, look, since Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies have crashed, we have been trading inside of this range. We will pump and go down, pump and go down, pump and go down, pump and go down. That is not normal. But after any significant amount of green, there is a major pullback, and it's very interesting. So maybe it's a time where you should trade and take profits. Maybe after there is green, you take profits. If you see any bearish signs on the charts, which you can read, which I help you to read, I give you guys updates on my Patreon to let you guys know if we're bearish, if we're bullish. When we see these types of things, ladies and gentlemen, maybe we should pull out and let things crash so that we can get more crypto while this volatility is happening. So let's just say it pumps up. If you would have sold it this morning, you would have seen a 6% move from the bottom to the top. And guess what? Now, with that money that you had up here, you're able to buy 6% more cryptocurrencies. And when it gets back up to that level, you're making a whole bunch of money. So that's a particular strategy that I try to do. It's hard to do. It's hard to time the market because the market right now is moving very fast. But here is something I need to show you. Weaker dollar lifts Bitcoin to 30,000 as analysts eyes 60% Bitcoin dominance. Now, what this means is that the Bitcoin dominance is getting higher. The US dollar is getting lower, which is good for cryptos, but the Bitcoin dominance is getting higher. And what this means is, as we see in bear markets, altcoins get wrecked. Altcoins are getting destroyed. They can only go down so low though. That's the problem. That's the thing. And that's actually good. So altcoins, they're getting beaten up, but they're getting into massive discount territory. So altcoins are going to have an altcoin season. There's going to be a massive altcoin season at some point here soon, in my opinion. Maybe this year, maybe towards the end of this year. I don't know. When cryptos and stocks begin to recover, the altcoins are going to be the ones to recover the fastest because they're the cheapest. They have the less market cap, so it's easy, therefore, to move the crypto up much higher. So right now, while we are in a bearish market, altcoins get beaten up really bad. But once this crypto market starts to recover, once we actually have some signs of a crypto market recovery, that is a really, really good sign and a time to get into altcoins like Dogecoin and Shiba Inu, because these coins, when they bounce up, when Bitcoin bounces up 3%, these coins are bouncing up 10%, 15%, 20% in single days. We used to see that when the market recovered last year after a major crash during a bull market. Altcoins went crazy, ballistic. So something to take of note of. Now, you're gonna ask me, okay, Miles, our crypto is gonna be going down. What's happening here? Well, I ended up buying the dip today. Not financial advice, but I ended up buying the dip today because we saw the NASDAQ crash like crazy, but it's recovering fast. We had the S&P break a massive low today, which is bear market territory for the stock market. But we have bounced up significantly very quickly. This is a good sign, ladies and gentlemen. When we see the S&P 500, when we see the indices crash and then start going back up again, and then we see the US dollar going down, this is a good indication that cryptos might actually bounce up and recover. So I have made an entry and I am expecting a decent move as a result. We could, because we have had a terrible crash today. Even yesterday, there's just been a lot of bearishness. We could have a little recovery night Friday. We could have a little recovery weekend. I don't know, but there's a lot of volatility, guys, on the weekend. So just be careful, put stop losses, never invest more than what you can afford to lose. And I highly recommend getting into my Patreon. It's only $10 a month. You can get access to tier 3, where we have a whale chat on the Telegram, where all the whales, we all talk together and you guys can speak to me often and frequently. I highly recommend it. I'm putting a lot of technical analysis, moves, and massive updates in the Patreon, guys. It's invaluable. And if you want to learn technical analysis, if you want to learn all of my investment and trading secrets, go ahead and get my course right now. Well, it is 66% off. It is at MYLESGinvestments.com, where you can sign up for the course, check it out, watch it. It's gonna really help you in this crypto market to understand so many things and to even be able to chart like a pro very quickly, as I give all my information very condensed and in a very good way that's easy for everyone to understand. And even if you already are advanced, this course will help you as well. It's for everybody. Now, if you got something out of this video so far, please check out my social media links in my video description, my Twitter, my Instagram. Check out also the links in my video description to help you make money in this crypto market. That's going to be it for today's video. Thank you so much for staying and watching. I will see you all later. Be encouraged. Crypto market is not going to be bearish. It's not going to be crashing forever. We will recover. We will bounce up. Let me know if you agree with that in the comments below, and I will see you all later. Have a good night.